Kate, now to our other top story. A Fresno police sergeant is feeling the sting of an investigation as he sits in the Fresno County Jail, booked on charges of an attempted lewd act on a child and communicating with a minor intending to commit an unlawful offense. 56-year-old Paige McQuay was identified by a Northern California police department during the undercover operation. Sergeant McQuay was arrested by officers from his own department today, where he's worked for 30 years sending suspects to jail.
Kate Nemrich also has this story on the investigation as McQuay now faces potential prison time.
A Fresno police officer's return to work Wednesday turned into a trip to jail. 56-year-old Paige McQuay returned from his normal days off to find out he was on paid administrative leave, and he was wanted by the Roseville Police Department on charges of an attempted lewd act on a child and communicating with a minor intending to commit an unlawful offense. Roseville police alerted the Fresno department on Tuesday that McQuay had been caught in a sting operation. The next day, McQuay's own coworkers conducted the arrest and delivered him to the Fresno County Jail.
Obviously, we have a vested interest when somebody in our police department is accused of these kinds of crimes. The last thing we want to do is expose the public to any kind of risk with them being out there.
McQuay has been with the department since December 1993 and was promoted to patrol sergeant in 2023. Over the years, he's been recognized for his work in the community. Action News interviewed him back in 2014 after he started a GoFundMe for a little girl who lost her foot in a lawnmower accident. Nearly a decade later, McQuay could be facing several years in prison for the charges he was booked on, according to criminal defense attorney Jeff Hammersmith.
So one is communication with a minor for an illegal purpose. So if the final text between them were, let's meet up at this place to have sexual conduct with it. And then the other charge was an attempt to actually carry out that act. And by traveling to the location where the suspect expects to meet the minor for sexual purposes, by simply showing up, that shows the attempt to actually go forward with the sexual act.
He says because McQuay didn't have contact with an actual minor, the sentence could be lighter, but he would still be required to register as a sex offender if convicted. Kate Nemrich, ABC 30 Action News.
Action News reached out to law enforcement in Placer County and we're waiting for a response. McQuay is being held without bail.